Hello and welcome to Lincoln Technical Institute, East Windsor, Connecticut. My name is Kevin Clark. I'm the campus president here, and I am delighted to welcome you to our virtual tour of this fantastic facility. We have 330,000 square feet, that is Lincoln Tech East Windsor, of which 216,000 square feet are our shop space. It is an amazing place to see. We have 7 programs here to offer: automotive technology, collision repair and refinishing technology, air conditioning, refrigeration and heating technology, CNC machining and manufacturing technology, diesel and truck technology, welding technology, and electrician training. Come and check out all that we have to offer. We're going to show you just a taste of what is Lincoln Tech East Windsor. Welcome.
Hello everybody, my name is Brian. I'm the Assistant Director of Admissions here at East Windsor. Lucky enough to be part of this awesome admissions team here at East Windsor campus, where we start you on your journey. It's not just starting school, but helping you graduate throughout your stay and starting your new career. Definitely recommend looking at our website. We could find some good information from curriculum, programs, scholarship info, and definitely feel free to reach out and give us a call if you have any additional questions. Welcome to East Windsor. We are in front of our electrician training program right now at our stick house, which is where our residential electrician training happens. Within the electrical program, it's not just residential, it's also commercial, industrial, some green energies as well. We talk solar. We're lucky enough to have some partners with Johnson Controls, sponsored classroom by them, where we go through telecom and closed circuit television and some security cable and things like that. It's an awesome program. We're here now for our CNC machining and manufacturing program. We're in our Haas Technical Training Center, where we have everything from manual machines to lathes, mill, multi-axis machines. This is an awesome field and an awesome opportunity. We're now in the HVAC area of our facility, HVAC being heating, ventilation, air conditioning, refrigeration. Here, just like electrical, you're going through residential, commercial, and industrial training. Also some great partnerships in this program. One is Hussmann, which is one of the leading commercial refrigeration companies in the industry right now. In the HVAC field, there are tons of awesome opportunities. We're now in our welding shop. There's 82 individual booths here. Again, awesome partnership with Miller, where we have a whole simulated lab by them. We go through everything from MIG, TIG, stick, pipe, fabrication, blueprint reading, multiple positions, flat, vertical, horizontal, overhead.
Hello, my name is Jim Caivano. I'm the Education Supervisor for the Automotive, Diesel, and Collision departments. And behind me is the Collision department, where we teach non-structural repair, structural repair, paint mixing, painting of the cars, and major frame damage. We are now in the diesel section of our shop, where the students will be working on their heavy-duty trucks. We repair engines, transmissions, and electrical systems on these vehicles. And we are very excited to have Kenworth and Daimler of North America as our partners in training for our students for upcoming jobs. We are now in the automotive section of our 250,000 square foot garage, where we teach our students to work on cars from bumper to bumper. We'll teach brakes, suspension, electrical, diagnostics, and we also have a great partnership with Gengris, who supplies us with educational material, and a lot of our students will go there to work. along with other dealerships and garages.
Hello, my name is Alena and I'm Financial Aid Advisor here at the East Windsor campus. Receiving new financial aid starts with completing your FAFSA, but we all know how complicated this process can be. Our team of knowledgeable professionals is here to help our families and students navigate the process of financial aid. Welcome to Lincoln. Please stop by and see us.
Hello, my name is Michael Carr. I'm the Director of Education here at East Windsor Lincoln Tech. My job here as the Dean is to help you from entrance to graduation. I have 35 plus instructors are here to help you in achieving your success. We welcome you to Lincoln Tech East Windsor.
Hello there, welcome to our Lincoln Tech East Windsor campus tour. I am Jennifer Nunes, the Director of Career Services here at East Windsor campus, and I'm so excited to share your career journey with us here at Lincoln Tech. In Career Services, we will help you build your resume, professionally develop you for your career training in the field. Our biggest thing is exposing you to all these opportunities with our national and local partnerships. We'll be working with you from day one. We're committed to your success and your career training and your program. Again, welcome to Lincoln Tech, and we're so happy to be part of your journey here with us. Thank you.
Thanks for visiting with us today. I hope that you enjoyed our tour and you were able to learn so much more about us. Please visit lincolntech.edu for more information. Thank you.